first thing that you do is this little holdout clip right here. The bottom of it needs to be pulled out. It only comes out about 1/4 of an inch. Second thing you do is make sure that this is the bottom of your spring bar with the little rabbit ear end on it. That goes into the lowest hole, square hole that's there. Then you grab it at the top, push down until the top of the spring bar is above or below this hold down bar, and then let it up slowly till the hold down bar holds it in place. You want to kind of center it in the window frame. You do this on both sides. Show them that side. And then lift the window. Go up to just where it's underneath the bottom sash. Push it into place, then push down until you feel both sides engage. Then push, close your tabs, and your window is in place again with both spring bars.
So talk about not lifting the window up too high. The problem is caused.
The reason that a lot of people lose their spring sashes is because there's a cam at the bottom of the spring bar that when you lift the window too high, the cam pulls the spring out of the where it's attached.
So don't.
Yeah, so only lift the window up. See, and I just did that. Okay.
Don't do what Frank just did. He lifted it up too high, and you can see the spring bars became they became disengaged. So that was an illustration in why the spring bars have to be replaced, is because the window was lifted up too high. Thank you, Frank.